Thank you so much for purchasing the Carding Masterclass, a complete course of carding. I hope I will be able to translate my knowledge and expertise to be a fruitful experience through this course and many other upcoming courses. In this course, we will explore the carding and the main tools required for carding. Also, threats, attack and prevention method. So sit back and relax and enjoy the course. So once again, welcome to the carding class. So what we will learn? We will learn what is carding, how hackers collect various card detail, who is carder and whether carding is legal or illegal in India. Then I will tell you how to become professional carder, what are the requirements to become professional carder, various types of credit card, what is BIN. Then in other section I will explain you and practically perform various things like how to buy Bitcoin, how to receive Bitcoin, how to sell Bitcoin. Then I will also discuss various types of cards, and then I will show you how you can buy credit card from surface web and deep web. I will also tell you the precautions that you should take while buying the credit card from surface web or deep web, because there are many scammers who are trying to sell people the fake cards and they fool people. Then I will practically perform the carding process, but this is for educational purpose only. As you can see in this slide, these are my contact details. Please feel free to contact me or drop me a message anytime you have question. If you have anything in mind that you shall like to share with me, I shall be really happy to answer and give feedback to any email or message I receive. The most important thing is know your instructor. So, who am I? I have completed my higher secondary education from IES Katra Vidyalay. I have more than 6 years of experience in IT industry, starting with programming, as I have programmed many desktop and mobile web applications using many languages. I have worked in Tata and I have designed many complex project application and solutions. I have worked in project management field, managing multiple projects in timely and efficient manner with low cost and resource optimization. I have completed my diploma in the branch of textile engineering from VJTI and degree in biomedical engineering from Dwarkada J. Sangvi College of Engineering. And here there are two projects listed, and the list goes on. So I hope that you will be with us in this course. So once again, thank you for purchasing the course. Thank you.